Your AC indoor unit keeps dripping water non-stop in your room or in the space where it is being installed. These are possible things that could be the cause, and these are things you need to do as to solve the problem. Number one thing that could be the cause is the AC has a blockage. The AC drain system, the AC drain pipe has a blockage. If the AC drain pipe has a blockage like that, it retains water, accumulates water inside the indoor unit. And if the water gets too excess, it starts dripping inside the room or space that it is being installed. That is number one. Number two, the AC doesn't have a proper tilt. The AC is not properly tilted to the direction of the drain pipe. If the AC is properly tilted to the direction of the drain pipe, then all the water, all the accumulated water will now flow through the drain pipe, goes outside without you experiencing any form of dripping in your room or in the space where it is being installed. Number three, low refrigerants can also cause water blockage in your room or in the AC. How does that happen? If you have a low refrigerant in your system, it now turns to icing. Then if that icing gets melting, it turns to water. Understand? It turns to water and keeps dripping in your room. So what you need to do about that is to fill up your AC refrigerant to its normal level. Then that will stop. Another thing that could cause your AC to keep dripping water in your room is a dirty drainage. If the drain system of the AC is dirty, either by algae growth. If algae grows in your AC indoor system and it doesn't allow your water to flow directly into the drain pipe, then it will accumulate the water into the air condition, into the indoor system, and let it drip into your room. So all these I've just mentioned now are possible factors that could cause water dripping inside your inside your room through your air condition. Another possible factor is a dirty drain pan. A dirty drain pan, like inside the air condition system, there is a pan where all the waters, understand, all the water where the AC generates, understand, rolls from down to the drainage pipe. If that drain pan is dirty, it will accumulate water. It will accumulate water of large quantity. And if the water accumulates beyond what the AC can hold, it will always look for a way to drip. So that is when it will now start dripping inside the room. With all of this put together, there is just a single way you can solve that problem. One of the ways, there is just a single way you can solve the problem, which is contacting a technician and directing the technician what to do. It is something you can easily do, you can as well do for yourself, but you may not have the tools and gadgets at hand to do that. So if you contact a technician, you see what the technician is doing, you also observe what the technician is doing, you can as well direct the technician what to do because you have an idea about what you are talking about, which is on installing the AC, the indoor units of the air condition. Drop it down, disassemble it, get to those block pipes and get to those block pans, scrape off all the dirt from it, scrape off all the grown algae and free up the system. You can do that using a pressure washer. Or if you have a brush, you can as well use it. And also if you are good using your sponge or your rag to wash it, then you are good to go. That's what you have to do. Uninstall the AC, disassemble it, get to those nooks and crannies where you have your dirt stock, clear it from the AC, assemble it again, reinstall it, and turn on your AC. As you are reinstalling it, make sure that the AC is being tilted to the direction of the flow of water. You know, there are two kinds of water movements. They say there is a running water and there is a flowing water. There is a running water, there is a flowing water. AC water is a flowing water, not a running water. A running water, you can channel it anyhow, it will still escape. But a flowing water, you have to give it direction of where it can flow to. So if you are reinstalling it, make sure that the AC is actually channeled, or is actually directed or tilted to the direction where you want the water to escape from. So with that, you've been able to ease yourself that stress of experiencing water dropping in your room or the space where the AC is being installed. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for giving ears to what I want to say. And if you like the video, please do well to give a thumbs up. And any parts of a condition you want me to talk about, drop it on the comment box. I'll view it and I'll talk about it. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.